Today we go learn how to use the ABiTrader app. After you don download the app from Google Play Store, na the following things when the app dey do na im go tell you so. You fit learn how to trade, you fit get free trading signals if you register, and you fit also use peer-to-peer trading for the platform. When you don register finish, you go see the wallet there. Everything you need to set up your passcode before you fit use the wallet. After you set your passcode finish, you gain access into using the wallet. After you don register for your ABiTrader app finish, you go see the following things when the app dey do. For newcomers wey be say they just come to use the app, you fit click on how it works to get information on how to use the platform. In fact, na the easiest thing wey you fit do be that. Click on how it works to see how the platform dey work and wetin you fit do. If you click on trade signals, ABiTrader dey offer free trading signals for the first 12 months, but you need to stake Tatcoin before you fit get the signal. You go click here to get free trade signal. You buy your Tatcoin, then you stake your Tatcoin to fit get trade signals. But before we go for how you go fit buy Tatcoin, make we check other things when the app fit do. You fit also learn how to trade cryptocurrency for the platform. If you click here now, you go see how to trade cryptocurrency. You fit watch free videos, or you fit join WhatsApp class, or you fit even get one-on-one trading classes. And na the amount be this. For shikini money, you go learn how to trade cryptocurrency. Now, how to buy Tatcoin. Before you go buy Tatcoin, you get two ways to buy Tatcoin, and the platform dey very simple because e don already show you how you fit buy Tatcoin. First thing wey you go do na to go your wallet, make you set your PIN code when you go use dey open and close your wallet. If you don set your PIN code finish, then you go fit access the wallet. Me, I dey use fingerprint verification to make am easy for me. If you see my wallet na fresh wallet, to use do this tutorial, I get another one. This wallet, if you look am, you go see say na fresh wallet. Then you go click on your NGN. First of all, transfer money go your NGN wallet. NGN na short code for Naira wallet. When you transfer money go your NGN wallet, you fit use quick swap, wey be one of the features on how to buy Tatcoin for the ABiTrader wallet. Now make we go back on buying and selling. ABiTrader don make am easy when be say you fit buy peer to peer. Wetin peer to peer mean say I fit buy from another person instead of make I dey buy directly from ABiTrader. So wetin ABiTrader go do for you be say you fit sell, you fit buy. You wan buy Tatcoin, so you change the coin when dey here from BTC, you change am to Tat. Then the transactional currency when you wan use na NGN. NGN na the short form of Naira, so na NGN you go use there. Other currencies wey you fit use na USD, Euros, Ghana cedis, and Great Britain pounds. We go choose NGN. You fit also buy BTC, Ethereum, and Tatcoin on ABiTrader. So payment method na bank transfer na im you wan use. So you go set your minimum limit. Minimum limit of the coin when you wan buy na 10,000 naira. Make we assume maximum limit na 20,000 naira. Then current market price of Tatcoin na 20 naira. 20 naira 3 kobo. But you fit set your own rate. You fit say I wan buy for 18 naira, or you fit say okay, I wan buy for 20 naira, or you fit say okay, I wan buy for 23 naira, so that your rate go quick go. But if you choose 20 naira, then you come click on next, just know say you wan buy Tatcoin. But since we never fund this wallet with money, you come set your offer terms. You fit say immediate payment, I dey online to pay immediately. Then you put your phone number and then trade instruction. Say if they no release your coin after you don pay money finish within 15 minutes to 2 hours, you go report the account, because some people you go don pay them, they no go gree release coin. So then you click on next. Then proceed to creating buy order. When you don create your buy order finish, I don already create this order before, I just wan show you how to create order terms. When you don create your order finish, you come go buy Tatcoin. Now when you go buy Tatcoin, no be here, you go buy and sell Tatcoin. Now for here, ABiTrader don already give you their instructions already. You fit buy peer to peer or you fit buy quick swap. We will talk about quick swap later, but for peer to peer, you don already get disclaimer. Read the instruction, understand them well before you buy. Disclaimer dey everywhere for this ABiTrader app. Make sure say you read all the disclaimer before you buy. This na the people wey don already set sell order, people wey you fit buy from. If you no wan create your own order, say you just wan buy directly, you fit come here, click on any of all these people, make you buy from them. Once you click on buy, they go say give you, then you don get Tatcoin for your wallet. Be that in shikini minutes you don already buy your Tatcoin. So na like this, now you fit buy Tatcoin with ease. You click on the person, then you follow all the orders, and then you buy your Tatcoin. Then next one now na quick swap. So you fit buy Tatcoin by clicking buy Tatcoin. When you click on buy Tatcoin, you fit buy Tatcoin with quick swap. But to use quick swap, like I talk for the first time, you need to first of all go deposit money for your naira wallet. After you deposit money for your naira wallet finish, you go come fit use quick swap. If you never deposit money for your naira wallet, you no fit use quick swap, because if you look am here now, you go see am, you wan buy above market price. You fit choose whether you wan buy above market price or whether you wan buy for market price. So if na market price you wan buy 20,000 naira worth, you go put 20,000 naira there, then you click on you place swap. Now no money for this my naira wallet, so even if I place swap, e no go. So before you fit place quick swap, you need to don already first fund your naira wallet before you fit place quick swap.